What's up, everyone? XA Gucci 23 here, and I'm back with another video. Alright, guys, you guys can see that I finally got myself a PlayStation 5. I went through a lot of shit, to get this. Well, as you guys know, like I said, I lost my house, and basically, I was homeless, and I wasn't making no money, but since now I have a job, and I'm making a lot of money, I finally got myself a PlayStation 5, man. And boy, um, this shit is very heavy, man. It's very heavy. And yeah, so basically, what I'm gonna do, and also, not only I have a PlayStation 5, but I have a nice TV as well. So that TV was $250. But this one right here is the disc drive one, which was $500. So yeah, but yeah, guys. So basically, what are we gonna do is I'm going to I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna open this up. So there's another tape. Hold on. So so basically, here's the box. When you take it out of the box, and then you end up opening it. So basically, it comes with the manual, the quick start guide, and the safety guard. And you know how it is. Nobody don't read that stuff. So just walk out of the way. Here is the power cable. The power cable. Here is the stand that comes with it. The stand. And let me back this up a little bit so you guys can see it. Here's the stand. Now, the way I'm gonna actually have my PlayStation 5 stand is gonna probably be vertical. I like it standing up. I don't like it standing down because you guys know I pretty much own every Sony console to date, and basically, you know how 1 to 4 was horizontally, but now I want my fifth one to be vertical. I want it to be standing up, and I think it looks much. Oops, excuse me about that. It'll be a lot more better standing up. So yeah. Moving on. Here is the HDMI cord that comes with it. It's pretty nice that they gave us that. And here is the DualShock 5. And tell you the truth though, the controller feels very nice. And if you guys remember this is like a video I did back I was in Best Buy, and I was feeling out the controller, and I would say that the controller feels actually very good, man. It feels much more better than my DualShock 4 controller. So if you see the comparison, see it, the comparison. So yeah, like I said, more boxes, and also here is the power cord to charge the DualShock 5. So, and now is the best part, the console itself. Now, you gotta lay it down like this to pull it out. And this. And here it is, guys. The console itself. And wow, this shit is, it's very fucking big, man. Look. Oh shit, man. Like I said, you got the power cable, the HDMI, the Ethernet, and 2 USB ports. And you got another USB port and the one that charges the controller. You have the power button, and you have the eject button to take the game out. Like I said, my only complaint is that I don't like the white sleep. I know that they were selling the color covers for like almost $80, which I might pick up because I like it all black. Because we all know when it's all white, this thing can get very dirty. But like I said, just give me a sec. I'm going to hold on. So there it is, standing vertically. I like it like that, standing nice and up. So I'm gonna come back again. I'm gonna set this all up. Just give me a sec. All right, guys, you guys can see I just set up the PlayStation 5. All right, let me just move this a little bit more over so you guys can see it. Okay. So, it's telling me to take my USB and plug it into the controller. So we're gonna put it right here. And as you guys can see, I'm going to set up the console. So like I said, you guys gotta give me a sec. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just finished with the setup. So you guys can see I'm here on the main menu. And like I said, I'm offline right now. I gotta set up my internet. So later on. So yeah, the interface looks just like the PlayStation 4. That's just me, in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna spend too long on this. So since you guys now know, I now have a PlayStation 5, and if you guys remember, I did a video stating that I registered for Tekken 8 beta. So basically, as you guys know, I registered for the beta for the PlayStation 5. So now all I'm just waiting for is what was the date? October 20th. So I can finally enjoy Tekken 8. So yeah, like I said, I have a PlayStation 5 now. Everything is finally complete now in my house. Finally, because like I said, I could have had a PlayStation 5 back when it was first launched, but we all know that whole story with the whole scalper shit. So, but yeah, you know, XA finally got one. So, like I said, stay to the channel. Like I said, more content is coming. And like I said, stay tuned for October 20th. We're going to be playing Tekken 8, baby. But like I said, I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who stopped by to watch this video, man. And have a good day. I'm out.